Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can create sections on Workona and add spaces to these sections to organize these. For example, if you're working on a specific project, for instance, on Workona, for example in Google Chrome. So let us dive into this. So navigate to Workona in your browser, and what you want to do, guys, is create a new section. To create one, click into that plus button next to spaces, but instead of creating a new space, create a new section by clicking into this button. Next, you will see the new section appearing here in that list. So as you can see, I created already that section. Let me give that a title like this, project 2 tabs. And now you can add spaces to that project and organize these, for example, to group them in one project. So what you want to do is simply click into that button here, and after that create a new space, for example, by giving it a name, or by clicking to this button. Or if you'd like to, let me just click into cancel. If you'd like to move a space into that section, simply click into it, move it to the given section here, release your left mouse, and there you go. So let me move also that one to this project or section here. And that's it. You can also use various or organize various spaces under one project or section. And that's how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.